Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'll show you how you can screen share content from your mobile device like a tablet or smartphone using the Airtame app. Let me show you how it works. In this setup I have an Airtame screen behind me, and I also have my tablet. If you focus in on the tablet, you will see that I have the Airtame app installed and the icon is showing in the upper left corner. To install the app, simply go to your preferred app store depending on the operating system, and from here search for Airtame. In here you will then find the Airtame app and simply install it like you would any other app. Once the app is installed, open the app, and from here you are instantly prompted to fill in the 5-character pairing code to start screen sharing. So let's have another look at the TV, and then we're simply going to enter the pairing code listed on the TV. Now do keep in mind that even though the pairing code is listed in all caps, we don't have to capitalize the letters when entering. Once I've entered the pairing code, I'm connected to the Airtame screen. From here I can click on the share screen button, and it's going to initiate the screen sharing session. I'll then tap on the big blue button saying start sharing. And then the operating system will ask if I'm allowing the Airtame app to actually share content from this device. I will tap on Start Now, and just like that, I'm screen sharing my entire screen to my Airtame screen. So from here, I could go in, I can open a bookmark and load up a website, for example, and very easily, completely wirelessly, screen share my website to the big screen. Once I'm done with my screen sharing session, I simply go back to the Airtame app and then tap on Stop Sharing. And just like that, it's going to stop sharing to the Airtame screen, and my Airtame app will revert back to enter a new pairing code if I want to share to a different screen instead. So this has been a short demonstration on how you can screen share to an Airtame screen using the Airtame application on your mobile device like a smartphone, a tablet, an iPad or an iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.